Anything unrelated to elephants is irrelevant on World Elephant Day.
Welcome back, Champs of Chaos.
My name's Drakan.
I'm Gryffin.
And we didn't know until Elephant Day was a thing, until now.
And I have a new Treasure X toy.
Well, not today, though.
It's called Treasure X Monster Gold.
And when are you going to open it?
Oh, I know.
Next Friday?
Next Friday.
The 21st.
The 21st. And here's the back.
Yep, now put it away.
Okay.
We are going to do a couple of crafts on World Elephant Day.
We are going to make clay elephants.
Yes. So, take your clay and the rolling pin, or squish it first.
I kind of warmed it up.
Good, it should soften it.
I'm gonna...
I need a rolling pin. Whoa, these are sharp tools.
You can get basic sculpting clay stuff at Walmart or your local craft store. Make sure you have
Do we have another
supervision.
Do we have another roller?
No, you have to wait your turn. It's not very heavy though, so I don't know how well it's going to work. You might just, Gryffin, you might want to just use your hand and squish it out.
That's kind of hard.
And it should be a little bit bigger, I think, right, because of the trunk.
Yeah, grumble the trunk.
Did it work? We didn't have an elephant cookie cutter, so we 3D printed one. So we have a basic 3D printer. Honey, you don't need to do it like that. There you go.
Alright. Please love that.
Now when you pull it up off the table, be very careful.
Some clay got stuck on my hands.
Yeah.
And table.
There. Put it there. Now you can use tulle to put an eye on it if you want to, or a hole to hang it from.
Oh my god.
Honey, we can clean that up later. Don't worry about it.
Ow.
Be careful. This is a very sharp end here, honey.
Fun fact, there's a reason why elephants have giant ears. Because of heat. Because...
Not so they can fly like Dumbo.
Okay, that's fictional, but I like what you were saying there.
Sorry.
So, to keep a cell and you to keep alive, you need energy. To, like, move.
It's too loud, honey.
I am trying to get this play out.
And there's a part of our cells, along with any other cells, called a mitochondria. It's basically the powerhouse of the cell. And depending on what animal the cell is in, the more heat or less heat the mitochondria can make. For example, a very small, like a very, very small mouse-like organism might have mitochondria super hot so it doesn't freeze to death. Basically, the bigger the animal is, the more cells is in there. And elephants, in elephant cells, mitochondria are very, very, very slow. To get rid of heat is the ears part. Not only to hear, which is important, but also to get rid of extra heat.
Very cool. The more you know.
More you know.
Here's Griffin's before we put it in the oven. And Drakan's. And my little simple one here. And we will share these at the end of the video when they're all done. While waiting for their clay elephants, we decided we're going to try this fantastic foamy fountain, also known as
Elephant Toothpaste.
Hopefully it doesn't hit the ceiling.
And we found a more kid-family recipe at sciencebob.com. I'll put the link in the description below.
Mark Rover. Make sure to subscribe to Mark Rover too.
We have the plastic bottle. That currently has hydrogen peroxide liquid in it, mixed with a tablespoon dishwashing soap and food coloring. So Gryffin, you're going to take that tablespoon of yeast and mix it into that little green cup of water. That's about 3 tablespoons of water in it. Go ahead and put it in and mix it. And make sure you mix it really, really good. Get it good and foamy looking.
Should I take off the cap?
Yep.
And
That's okay.
There's some on my fingers.
Well, that's right. It says we need safety goggles. Please stand by.
Right.
Alright. We didn't have safety goggles, but we found some sunglasses to protect eyeballs. Alright. Be aware that hydrogen peroxide is not something kids should touch
even
or
a teenager.
be around without parental supervision. Alright. Gryffin, go ahead and grab that green cup with the yeast and water that's all mixed up and pour it into the funnel, and as soon as he pour it all in really quick. And as soon as he does that, remove the funnel, and there's your elephant toothpaste.
Whoa!
Okay, I wasn't expecting this short,
Wow!
but it does
That
look
is
cool.
a lot of toothpaste.
You did put some soap in here, right?
Yes.
Are you trying to fun hunt?
Alright, let me talk about the foam for a minute. The foam you made is extra special because each tiny foam bubble is filled with oxygen. The yeast acted as a catalyst. A catalyst is used to speed up a reaction. It quickly broke apart the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. Because it did this very fast, it created lots and lots of bubbles. Did you notice the bottle got warm? No, because we kept our hands off of it. Your experience created a reaction called an exothermic reaction. That means it not only created foam, it created heat. The foam produces water, soap, and oxygen, so you can clean it up with a sponge and pour any extra liquid left in the bottle down the drain. The experiment is sometimes called elephant's toothpaste because it looks like toothpaste coming out of a tube. But don't get the foam in your mouth.
And
Our clay elephants are done.
and cooked.
Yep.
We got the elephant. We got...
What happened to the blue one?
It's there on the table.
Oh.
Can I say the line?
Go for it, Griff.
Eyewear included.
Today we got the elephant's
toothpaste.
toothpaste and the elephant's toothbrush. Now we need is just an elephant.
Elephant toothbrush.
Time to brush his teeth. Brush his teeth.
Okay. If this is the size of an elephant, like this is the size of an elephant, bigger than a human being, then imagine how big this is.
That's an enormous toothbrush in comparison.
Yes. Anyway, before we end this video, make sure to subscribe to Mark Rover, and make sure to check the 2 Mark Rover videos. The one he filled with a bathtub, and the other for a birthday by making a giant funnel. And also, he made devil's toothpaste. Anyway, you should watch those and make sure to subscribe to Mark Rover. But we'll see you in the next video. I'm Drakan.
I'm Gryffin.
And we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, like it.
And hit the bell.
If it's there.
And thumbs up.
See ya, guys.
Bye.